Welcome to Sydney CBD Repair Center. We believe that smartphone repairs and services should not be a hassle. In order to keep a top-level standard of service, we only use genuine parts to ensure quality repairs. We also offer a limited warranty to all our services. Our team of expert technicians from South Korea are here to serve you. It is 100% best service guaranteed. Our customers highly recommend us to their friends and family because they are confident that we can get the job done right. We are located in the heart of Central Business District in Sydney, 5 minutes away from the Central Railway Station, 1 minute from World Square, 1 minute from Chinatown, and just opposite of HSBC. Come visit our shop or call us at 8011-4119 to get a free quote. Sydney CBD Repair Center, #1 Galaxy iPhone specialists, brand new Gangnam Style repair service.